Latest research and development. 1. Anthropic details its AI safety strategy. Anthropic has detailed its safety strategy to try and keep its popular AI model, Claude, helpful while avoiding perpetuating harms. 2. This Earth-sized exoplanet is racing toward its own destruction. An ultra-short period planet is spiraling toward destruction within 31 million years. Its extreme heat and dense composition reveal a violent past. 3. Long COVID risk up to 3x higher with financial hardship, study finds. A sweeping new study has uncovered a powerful connection between long COVID and the challenges people face in everyday life. 4. Mpox crisis deepens, scientist warns, we need to get things under control. Mpox is spreading faster, showing new modes of transmission and affecting different populations. Scientists are calling for stronger global action. 5. Quit Ozempic or Wegovy, here's how fast the pounds can come back. A sweeping analysis of global studies reveals that stopping weight loss drugs, including well-known treatments like Ozempic and Wegovy, often triggers a rapid return of lost pounds. 6. Scientists discover mysterious quantum echo in superconductors. Scientists detected a Higgs echo in superconductors that could improve quantum computing. The effect reveals and manipulates hidden quantum states. 7. This strange electron behavior just revealed a new phase of matter. At the edge of two exotic materials, researchers discovered a strange new quantum state where electrons flow in 6 unusual directions, something never seen before. 8. Is your quantum computer faking it? Physicists unveil a quantum lie detector. A new test confirms deep quantum behavior in large-scale systems, including multipartite correlations. 9. Parasitic worms could help save Chesapeake Bay's blue crab fishery. Parasitic worms on blue crab eggs may reveal a crab spawning history. Their resilience in varied salinities makes them promising for fishery monitoring. 10. New brain pathway reveals why the same touch feels different. Our brain doesn't just feel, it decides how much to feel. Researchers discovered a feedback loop that adjusts how sensitive we are to touch, depending on context. This dynamic brain circuit could help explain sensory fluctuations and traits linked to autism. 11. This tiny brain grown in a lab could revolutionize mental health research. Johns Hopkins researchers grew a mini-human brain with connected regions and blood vessels. It acts like an early-stage fetal brain and could unlock new ways to study and treat complex mental disorders. 12. Bridging the lab to fab gap accelerates semiconductor innovation and commercialization. 13. AI finds hidden safe zones inside a fusion reactor. New AI approach speeds up calculations vital to protecting the inside of fusion vessels from the intense heat of the plasma. 14. Blood pressure cuff errors may be missing 30% of hypertension cases. 15. Tiny chip could unlock gamma ray lasers, cure cancer, and explore the multiverse. Thanks for watching this video.